understanding the type code for the Pacific Scientific K PowerPack motor, the K33HLHJ-LNK-NS-01. K denotes a standard stepper motor construction. 3 denotes a NEMA 34, 3.38-inch frame size. 3 denotes a stack length of 3 stacks. H denotes heavy-duty NEMA mounting. L denotes splash-proof connection to terminal board. H denotes 4 lead parallel lead wire connections. J indicates NEMA 34 standard winding type. L indicates a laminated rotor type. N indicates a single shaft configuration. K indicates straight key shaft modification. NS denotes no encoder feedback option. 01 denotes a standard motor with shaft seal. FAQ. How many full steps per revolution does this motor achieve? This motor has 200 full steps per revolution. What is the step angle? The step angle is 1.8 degrees. What is the insulation voltage rating? The insulation voltage rating is 340 VDC. What is the insulation resistance? The insulation resistance is 100 megohms. What is the operating temperature range? The operational temperature range is -20 Celsius to 40 Celsius. Thank you for watching. Wake Industrial is your partner in progress for all Pacific Scientific motor sales and replacements.